Hey everyone, Chip Rogers, Chief Partner Officer at WorkSpan, and man, we just had a fantastic event here. We got, I think, about 100 people here in the background. Everybody's mingling and networking, and we're here in San Francisco, of course, and just had a fantastic event. I am very excited to be talking with Charles Lewis, so we're just going to chat a little bit about some of the things that Charles is with AWS. And a partner sales leader with a two-pizza team.
Yes.
And your focus is around data and GenAI and those kinds of sort of ISV partners for North America.
Yes.
Charles, tell me a little bit about what a little more about what you and your team are up to these days.
Yeah, so we're a partner sales organization, and again, like I said, a two-pizza team. It's like around eight folks, and we really have a North America remit to really drive outcomes working in conjunction with our partners, actually working with ISVs who are our customers. So a very, very interesting remit, because that means we're actually working uniquely with our customers who are actually ISVs.
That's great. That's great. So they're both customers and partners because they're ISVs and putting solutions together with AWS and
exactly. So we kind of think of, as they're thinking about how their business and how they grow their businesses, a lot of that has to do with how they actually are engaged in acquiring customers, which are ISVs.
Well, it's interesting. So some of the content here today was about how to co-sell with AWS, and how do you grow your pipeline. Some just amazing stats. I think some folks may already know that anybody that's in partnering already knows that higher win rates, bigger deal sizes, and faster close. To when you're working with partners. Clearly, that's true with AWS. So talk a little bit about your experience and your team co-selling with ISVs.
Well, I think co-selling with ISVs into customers, whether they're ISVs or, quite frankly, not ISVs, we really, really appreciate all the partners that are in our ecosystem, number one. ISVs, consulting partners, we have an incredible breadth of partners that we work with. We really focus on the leadership principle of customer obsession. We really like to work backwards in working with our partner ecosystem in what problems they're solving, how they're meeting our customer on their journey to actually solve their problems and help them. Like we said, when it's specific to ISVs, it's how are we ultimately helping them acquire more customers? So that's when we look at that, our mission when we're in partner sales, we're really trying to help fit together working with the partners and matching that together with the customers that they're trying to get for, and drive what I consider to be insights and outcomes. What insights do you have? What outcomes do you seek? And matching that up with our field sales to ultimately help solve our customer problems better, whether that's cheaper, faster, better, accelerate their business. We're in for it all to really drive customer obsession working with partners.
That's great. So it's all about the customer, right? It's like we're delivering value and delivering outcomes. So.
And in that journey, I would say we're all about how do we earn trust with you, our partners, with our customers, with our field, and we're partner sales. We're really catalysts to actively make that doing. And I have to appreciate what you've done here today. There's a lot of a really significant partner ecosystem. Some are early on their journey, some are optimizing their business, but I think all of them have that interest in how do they drive a more efficient operation overall so that they can drive co-sell engagement that in many cases I know I'm not comprehensive of everything I just said, but a lot of those things, those pieces and parts come together really well when they grow that ecosystem, regardless of where they are in their journey.
Yeah, it's so true, because you're able to deliver a better solution ultimately to customers because you're putting all the pieces together that really can do something effective and valuable for them.
Absolutely.
So what's new? What's on the horizon? Or what's I think one of the big things that's happening with AWS is just this focus around industries. Talk a little bit about what that means to you and to AWS.
Well, there certainly is across the ecosystem or the industry, if you will. I would say we really have organized a lot of our business, our enterprise business, around industries. So we're actually approaching customers and meet them where they are and speak the way they speak and drive solutions and offerings that actually help solve their solve what they're looking for. So.
That's some industries that would be a good example of like financial service, like
Yeah, financial services, automotive manufacturing, gaming. Actually, digital native still is a category, and we also do think of our business in terms of ISVs as a collective whole.
as an industry.
Absolutely, I'd consider that. So.
Well, Charles, thank you so much for taking a few minutes and sharing your thoughts. I think we have a lot of partner leaders, partner folks that always want to hear from professionals that and leaders that have been successful like you, Charles. So really appreciate you taking the time today.
You bet. Thank you, Chip. I just add, when in AWS and partner sales, we wake up thinking about our customers first, but we actually think about how do we help you, our partners, evolve your business and evolve our business. So we're really passionate about our customers, but also our partners and how we help you all grow. So thank you for having me.
Yeah, fantastic. Charles, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Okay, thanks everybody. We'll see you next time.